Hi, good afternoon. Here in Los Angeles today, it's about 100 degrees. It's hot. Therefore, I'm inside cutting YouTube videos. I do want to talk about an aspect of personal injury law that comes up quite a bit, actually, in my practice and the practice of a lot of other personal injury lawyers, and that is the so-called slip and fall case. Uh, Slip and fall, just the word, just the phrase slip and fall has a stigma like that people are faking it, that people are making it up, that people are exaggerating the injury, that people are faking the fall, all that type of thing. And let's be honest, that stuff really does happen. I mean, people do, there's the videos of people spreading water on the floor and then pretending to trip in it. There's the people who fall and who maybe at most have some, minor sprain and, suddenly they're running off to the hospital and pretending that they need 10 surgeries. That's all, those things are real. And I'm not saying they don't happen. However, if you really are in a market and there's a dangerous condition in the market and you fall and you hurt yourself, you should go to a lawyer. Obviously, before you go to a lawyer, very, very important, especially with everyone carrying cell phones these days, take a lot of pictures. I got to tell you, in the slip and fall, trip and fall type cases, the pictures mean everything. The pictures absolutely mean everything. If you take a picture of the dangerous condition where you fell, if you take a video of the surroundings, that's all very, 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 very important to your case. And believe me, do it, on the spot. If you're with someone, have them pull out their camera and take the pictures. If you're injured and you're really hurt, ask a passerby, ask someone from the store to take a picture of whatever caused the fall. Believe me, it is your case. It's not maybe your case, it is your case. What happens a lot of times is, the store will come by after you've fallen. They see there's a puddle on the ground. Something that may have been there for half an hour. They should have cleaned it up. They didn't. You fell in it. They wipe it up, and when they wipe it up, your evidence is gone. So you need to take a picture right away. But this not only applies to a puddle on the ground in the grocery store, or maybe a rotten banana, or an apple peel, or something like that. Doesn't only apply to that. There's all kinds of dangerous conditions out there that can cause you to trip and fall or slip and fall. Again, it nauseates me, and it nauseates the good lawyers out there when people fake these things, because there are a lot of people out there who really have these accidents and who really do get hurt. But when this happens to you, for real, when this happens to you for real, please document it. Take out your phone and document it. If you're with someone, have them bring out the phone and take pictures of everything about the circumstance right away, on the spot. Take the pictures. And those pictures are going to become gold later on if you do have to pursue a lawsuit for your injuries. And honestly, if you do, the law says you should. It's not something where it's like, oh, this is a slip and fall, this is a trip and fall case. I've heard so many bad things about, trip and fall, slip and fall cases. There's a stigma. People are faking the injuries, people are faking the accident, the whole 9 yards. Listen, that's all true, but there shouldn't be a stigma, because there are real accidents out there and people really do get hurt. And if you have a real accident and you really do get hurt, there is nothing wrong under the law or under any reasonable, morality. There is nothing wrong whatsoever in pursuing that claim for damages. However, just be advised, you're going to need your evidence. And the best time to get that evidence is right on the spot. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful to you, and try to stay cool today. It is hot out there today.